Next question. Performance standards describe the abilities and skills that learners are expected to demonstrate in relation to the content standards and integration of 21st century skills. The integration of knowledge, understanding of and skills is expressed through creation, innovation, and adding value to products, performance during independent work, or in collaboration with others. Performance standards answer the following questions except one. A. What can learners do with what they know? B. How well must learners do their work? C. What should the learners know? Or how, letter D. How do learners apply their learning or understanding real life concept? Context. Right answer is A. So magkakaiba-iba kayo ng sagot. Pwede pang mag-change. Review your answer. Still have the ngayon lang kaiba-iba. Basahin ulit ang STEM. Para isa lang ang sagot. Performance standards answer the following questions except one. Performance standards na tayo. Right. So, kakaiba-iba ang sagot. May C, may A. Right answer is letter C. What should the learners know? Kasi ito na what should the learners know, that is for content standards. Content standard. Ang A, B at saka D are for performance standards. According to DO number 8, series 2015, content standards, what should the learners know? Diba? Content standard. The content standards answer the question, what should the learners know? While performance standards answer the following questions. How can learners do with what they know? How well must learners do their work? How well do learners use their learning or understanding in different situations? Then how do learners apply their learning or understanding in real life context? And what tools and measures should learners use to demonstrate what they know? So action na kasi yung performance standard. Of course, they cannot perform without the content. So kaya una muna natin ah, binibigay yung content sa mga learners. Pag na-master na nila ang content standard or na-reach na nila yung content standard, saka na i-measure natin yung performance standards. Application na kasi. So parang yung content standards are is the foundation. It's laying the foundation for the performance standard. Hindi kasi makaka-perform ng maayos kung walang nalalaman o kulang ng alam ang learner. Next question. Teacher Tony let her students design a prototype of rain catchment system that is suitable in their locality. What cognitive process dimension Teacher Tony wants to assess? Evaluating, creating, remembering, analyzing. A, is it evaluating? B, creating, remembering, or analyzing? Okay. Ma'am Monica, Ma'am Nancy, letter B. What the other? Nauna na yung iba eh. Ma'am Grace, B. Ma'am Mirab, letter B. Ma'am Susana, A. Okay. Baka kanina pa ito. Okay. Okay, the correct answer is letter C, creating. Oh, letter B, I mean. Letter B, creating. Highest. Okay, like Ray ito. Cognitive process dimension creating, descriptor. The learner can put elements together to form a functional whole, create a new product or point of view, generate, hypothesize, plan, design, develop, produce, construct, formulate a symbol, design, or device. Tingnan natin yung question. You design, design a prototype. So, kapag pinakagawa natin ng learners ang kanilang sariling mga outputs as performance standard, as performance, so that is part of creating. Yung remembering, the learner can recall information and retrieve relevant knowledge from long-term memory. So that is content standard. Understanding, the learner can construct meaning from oral, written, and graphic messages. Interpret, exemplify, classify. So itong mga keywords, interpret. So yung palang graphical interpretation ay understanding ang level pa lang yan, di ba? Exemplify, give examples. Classify, summarize, infer. Itong what do this, itong inference parang reading between the lines. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng sentence na yan? Compare, explain, paraphrase, and discuss. For applying mga keywords, execute, implement, demonstrate, dramatize, interpret, solve, use, illustrate, convert, and discover. For analyzing, the learner can distinguish between parts and determine how they relate to one another and to the overall structure and purpose, like differentiate, distinguish, compare, contrast, organize, outline, attribute, and deconstruct. And then evaluating. The learner can make judgment. So yung judgment is evaluation. And justify decisions. Keywords, coordinate, measure, detect, depend, judge, argue, debate, critique, appraise, and evaluate.